In January 2011, Mini launches their largest vehicle to date, the Mini Countryman. As their first four-door all-wheel drive option vehicle, the brand hopes to convert prospects who praise the original Mini but need a larger vehicle for their lifestyle. Because Mini is a fiercely emotional brand, the communications challenge for the launch of the Countryman is to pitch the model as being both fun and practical. To discover the best target audience for the Countryman, we headed to consumers themselves, holding focus groups, exploring Mini fan sites, and interviewing industry experts. The conclusion of that research led us to what we identify as the Metropolitan Adventurer, the prime target audience of the Mini Countryman. The release of the bigger, more practical Mini will allow our Metropolitan Adventurer to have a one-of-a-kind personalized vehicle that is jaunty for the city, yet brawny for the country. Discovering the motivations of the target and the intrinsic qualities of the Mini Countryman lead us to our strategy statement. The Mini Countryman is the perfect match of practicality and fun that enhances the lifestyle of the Metropolitan Adventurer. From this strategy, the perfect match concept was born. The lighthearted and amusing executions of the campaign play off on the idea of personal ads, except instead of introducing consumers to a human mate, consumers meet the Mini Countryman. The target spends a lot of time in their car, and they are voracious consumers of media and users of new technology. These discoveries, along with Simmons data, provided rationale for using magazines, billboards, TV, Hulu, and iPhone and iPad apps as media. Commercials will flight throughout the year on TV channels frequently viewed by Metropolitan Adventurers, including Discovery, FX, and IFC, and on Hulu, during episodes of shows such as SNL, House, and 30 Rock. Our television spots comically mislead consumers into thinking the ad is for a dating service, when in reality it's for the introduction of the Mini Countryman. In each execution, the Metropolitan Adventurer is confronted with a scenario in which they've been matched with a countryman. In the Match Found spot, the audience is introduced to a bachelor who arrives at his apartment to discover an email from an admirer. He reads the email to his dog, which describes the sender as an adventurous, sporty, animal-friendly character with a curvy body. As the bachelor and the dog become excited, the man notices a picture is attached, which he opens. The spot ends on the graphic of a countryman and a copy that reads, "Meet Mini Countryman." The print ads will be inserted on a flighted schedule in magazines popular among the target, like Esquire, National Geographic, and Vanity Fair. The print ads are single pages, double-sided, designed to look like a personal ad, each one focused on one of the Countryman's key features, like the adaptable rail system, new all-wheel drive option, or its bigger size. The front page intrigues the reader with a clever innuendo and asks to be flipped over to find the perfect match, which is revealed to be the Mini Countryman. Along with the print ads, billboards displaying the same matchmaking humor will launch in the 25 largest DMAs to build awareness of the Mini Countryman among the target group. Finally, iAds will run throughout the year on selected iPhone and iPad apps. The interactive ad, essentially, is a car finder disguised as a date finder. First, consumers make their selection of what appeals to them in a mate and then move to a screen that features a unique Countryman tailored to their selection and describes the car's key features. The last screen reveals their Countryman match and directs them to a local dealer's website. Working together, the media selection and creative surround Metropolitan Adventurers with a message that there is a perfect Mini Countryman out there for them. The communications dare the target to meet Mini Countryman online at miniusa.com. This call to action prompts Metropolitan Adventurers to learn more about the Countryman. The end goal of this is to motivate the target to visit dealerships and begin their courtship with the Mini Countryman.